Hey there, fellow designers. If you've ever found yourself juggling between different tools to design a home's interior and exterior, or struggling with complex software that doesn't quite meet your needs, you're not alone. As interior designers, we know how overwhelming the process can be, and the last thing we need is software that complicates things further. That's where Foyr Neo comes in. Let's be real. Designing both the interior and exterior of a home requires a seamless process. But traditional design tools often divide the work into different software programs, making it frustrating and time-consuming to get an accurate, cohesive view of the whole project. With Foyr Neo, that challenge disappears. This all-in-one platform lets you design everything, from the interior layouts to the exterior finishes, without having to switch between multiple tools. Foyr Neo is a game-changer because it's designed with designers in mind. Unlike traditional software that often has a steep learning curve, Foyr Neo is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to jump in and start creating beautiful spaces. The platform is loaded with features that make your workflow smoother, quicker, and more efficient. For starters, Foyr Neo's 3D visualization lets you bring your designs to life instantly. You can see your concepts in stunning detail, giving you a clear picture of how the space will look before making final decisions. Want to check how the light changes in the room, or how a new texture looks on the wall? The real-time rendering shows you how your design evolves, making it easier to refine your choices. Another standout feature is the drag-and-drop functionality, which allows you to place furniture, decor, and other elements in your design without any hassle. Plus, Foyr Neo comes with a massive library of furniture, textures, materials, and finishes to choose from. This means you can experiment with a wide variety of styles and looks for both the interiors and exteriors of your design. Managing different elements of your design can be tricky, but Foyr Neo's layer-based system makes it easy to organize your work. You can separate elements like furniture, lighting, and structural features, allowing you to focus on specific details while maintaining an organized workflow. Plus, the auto-dimensioning feature ensures your designs are accurate and precise without having to manually measure everything. One of the features designers love the most is its fast rendering speed. Gone are the days of waiting for hours to see how your design looks. With Foyr Neo, you can instantly preview your designs in high quality, allowing you to quickly make adjustments and move forward in your project. Additionally, Foyr Neo is web-based, which means you can access it anytime, from anywhere, whether you're working from the office or on-site. There's no need for hefty software downloads, and you can always keep your designs up to date. And don't worry about being overwhelmed by all the features. Foyr Neo is incredibly user-friendly and designed for designers of all experience levels. No need to be a tech expert to create stunning designs. With its simplicity, you can focus more on your creative vision and less on navigating complicated interfaces. For interior designers, time is always of the essence. Foyr Neo streamlines the design process, letting you experiment, collaborate, and iterate without the usual delays or frustrations. This allows you to focus more on the creative aspects of your projects and less on the technical ones. Ready to see all these features in action? There's no better way than trying it out yourself. Foyr Neo offers a 14-day free trial, so you can explore everything the platform has to offer, without any commitment. It's the perfect way to experience how it can transform your design process, both for interiors and exteriors, with ease. Whether you're designing a cozy living room or a grand exterior, Foyr Neo's flexibility and intuitive design tools help bring your vision to life. The software lets you create flawless, cohesive designs, both inside and out, and delivers them faster than ever before. Check out the link in the description to start your free 14-day trial of Foyr Neo today. Let's create stunning, seamless designs together. Happy designing!